What a great angle. Hello and welcome back. Today, I'm talking about the things that I hate. This isn't just gonna be like I hate when I stub my toe. This is like specific things that I have found that really bug me. This also is not meant to offend anybody. If anybody has or does these things, I wrote down everything in this journal. Remember my second video where I was reading stuff out of this journal? The first thing that I have written down is cars that don't look like they should turn into trucks. This is what I mean. I hate that so much. The second thing is when people say refrigerator. It's either refrigerator or fridge. It's not refrigerator. This one really gets me because it happens all the time. It's when you are being greeted and the person says, "Hi, how are you?" and you say, "Good, how are you?" and they don't respond. It's like crickets. It's like, you asked, like. The next one is when someone says, "That's hilarious," but they don't end up laughing. And you're like, okay, was it hilarious? This one I talk about all the time. It's when Cheez-Its taste like sunflower seed dust. Like, there's good batches of Cheez-Its, and some of them taste like sunflower seed dust. Like, let me know if you've ever tasted that, because it's absolutely terrible. The next two go hand in hand. It's when someone is driving and it either like just started raining or it's been raining for a while and they don't turn their windshield wipers on high enough so like you can't see out of the windows, but like it doesn't bother them. And the one that goes along with that is when it stops raining and someone doesn't turn their windshield wipers off, and so it makes that The next one also has to deal with cars. It's when a car has their front blinker on but the blinker like takes place of the light, and so the front light goes off and it's just the blinker. I've noticed that with a lot of newer cars. Starbucks inside the grocery stores, hate that. The smell of restaurants soaked into clothes. That is the worst. I see this all the time on my Snapchat story. It's when people post a picture of their post-licked ice cream cone. My birthday is July 31st, so this one gets me a lot, but it's when you're scrolling down like on a list to put your birthday in, like on your phone, and I always just scroll down until it hits the bottom, but some lists restart when it gets to 31. It automatically goes to the first. So another one is when someone's Snapchat story is a picture of themselves that somebody had to take of them. The last one, because I'm cutting myself off here, I sound like too much of a downer. This one is pockets that you have to open yourself. I had a pair of pants, that had seamed off pockets, and like seriously last week I got them, I don't know, 5 months ago for my birthday. I was wearing them and I was like, "Mom, like what are these fake pockets?" And she was like, "Honey, like those are just, you open them yourself." And I was like, okay, great. That's all for now. I hope you all enjoyed my rant on these things that I don't really enjoy. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will be back later this week for another video. Bye!